This video will guide you through 8 steps needed to write a customer contract for your business. Customer contract drafting is a frequently requested service on the Contracts Council platform, since business owners want to make sure they are legally protected when engaging with customers. If you need to write a customer contract, this video is for you. Before we start, just a brief disclaimer. The following information is provided for educational purposes and in no way constitutes legal advice. For legal advice, we encourage you to consult a licensed attorney. We will cover the purpose of customer contracts, key terms to include in your document, and 8 steps to follow to write your contract. We've also added a link below with information on lawyer pricing if you want to know the cost of hiring a lawyer. Now let's get started. Purpose of customer contracts. Customer contracts are legally binding written agreements between a business and a customer. The purpose of customer contracts is to clearly define the terms of the business relationship, protect the rights of both parties, and ensure mutual understanding of expectations. Without using contracts, a business can open itself up to legal issues. Some reasons why using a customer contract is important are as follows. 1. They create a clear agreement of services or products provided. 2. They protect both the business and the customer's rights. 3. They mitigate the possibility of disputes. 4. They ensure compliance with relevant laws. And 5. They safeguard against potential liabilities and risks. What to include in your customer contract? There are common terms used in customer contracts. Here are some you will find. 1. Names of the parties. The agreement includes the legal names of the business and the customer. 2. Description of goods or services. This section describes the products or services being provided in detail to set expectations. 3. Payment terms. This specifies the payment terms, including rate, schedule, and payment method. 4. Delivery terms. This section outlines the delivery schedule and conditions of the goods or services being provided. 5. Duration of contract. This states whether the contract is for a fixed term or ongoing. 6. Confidentiality. This section requires parties to protect any confidential information shared during the contract period. 7. Termination. This section sets rules on how either party can get out of the contract. And 8. Dispute resolution. This section details the procedure the parties can take in the event of a dispute. 8 steps to writing a customer contract. Here are 8 steps you can follow to draft your customer contract. 1. Review the commonly used clauses discussed earlier in this video or find a template online to use as a reference. This will allow you to know what to include. 2. Identify the key information you want to include in your agreement. This may include details about the goods or services, payment terms, and delivery schedule. 3. It is critical to use clear and concise language that both parties can understand. 4. Once you've written your clauses, organize them so that they are logical. For example, you likely want to have the description of goods or services section come before the payment terms section. 5. Be sure to incorporate any applicable laws and regulations that may be specific to your state or industry. Note this may require research. 6. If you are unsure about anything, consider using Contracts Council's platform to seek advice from an experienced business lawyer. 7. Review and revise the agreement to make the language clearer and confirm you have included everything needed. And 8. Create a single document to serve as your customer contract and ensure both parties have access to it. Drafting a customer contract for your company is a vital step in protecting both the business and the customer in a business relationship. If you need help from an experienced lawyer, feel free to search Contracts Council or visit contractscouncil.com and post a job to get quotes from lawyers to help you. Thanks for watching.